Hi guys, I hope everyone are doing well. In this video we are going to see how to make a portable stand for R15V3, and this stand can be designed or can be made for any other bikes which doesn't come with the center stand. And I will let you know what are the requirements in order to make this stand. Three things that we would be requiring here. One is a pipe with any diameter that will best fit for you, and a elbow that fits the pipe, and a glue that would be used to stick the pipe. Next thing what we would be doing here is, we would cut this pipe into we need two pieces. One piece would be of 32 centimeter and another piece can be whether it may be 15 or it may be 20. It depends upon how much you want the length of the pipe to be, but I will let you know once the product is ready, so that you can judge how many centimeters you can cut the pipe for. But make sure, in order to make your bike stand, you need 32 centimeter to be cut, that is for one pipe. Once you're done with the cutting, one of 32 centimeter and another one pipe with the desired centimeter that you would require. So once done, apply the glue in the elbow on both the sides and attach the pipe to the elbow, that is here. I'm just showing this because I've already done the product, so I'm just giving a demo for you people. So one, you can just apply the glue and stick it, another pipe would come here. So I'll just show you the end product, how it looks like. This is the end product after me applying the glue and sticking it together. One which is of 32 centimeter, which is fixed, so that you can place your bike correctly with the backrest. And this pipe length would be a desired length. You can keep 10 centimeter, also you can keep 15 centimeter. I've just placed it with 20 centimeter because I need to hang some of the tools when I'm working on with the bike. So it depends upon this centimeter length would purely determine how much you want to keep, but this, make sure you maintain 32 centimeter. I have done two things here. Once gluing it, the elbow, I have covered it with the tape so that the bike doesn't get any scratches. In order to avoid that, I have taped it. So if you want to tape it, you can tape it, otherwise you can leave the plastic side without taping it, in order to not get any scratches on the bike. So I have taped it. So this would be the position that you would be placing the portable stand that we have made. So in order to not get the paint run off in the swing arm, I've used a tape. Now the second thing that you would be requiring is a belt, a velcro belt. If that is not available, you can have a thread or a piece of twine kind of, so that what you can do is that you can tie your front brake so that it avoids the bike moving forward. So I'll just show you how we can do this. What you have to do is that just hold your brake and tie this with the twine or with the velcro that you have. So let me tie it and show. Make sure that you hold your brake fully so that it gets locked, and then you can do the tightening of the thread or the twine or the velcro. Here I have shown you how to do with the velcro. If you have a velcro, just you can tie it. Otherwise, if you have a thread or a twine, you can tie it like this. So just to show you people, I have done it with 2, but if you have 1, you can do it with 1. The next step would involve placing the stand under the swing arm. So to do that, you have to lift your bike a little, and then you have to place the stand under your swing arm. So once placed, make sure that you place it in the collar that you have attached, so that it takes all the weight of the vehicle. Once this is done, now you are exactly done with the process. So you would be able to clean your vehicle tire, and also you can lube your chain by just rotating your wheel like this, and you would be able to clean your vehicle. For chain lube, you can do 2 things. One, you can just rotate like this, and you can do the lube. Otherwise, you can switch on your engine, put your gear in the first gear, and you can perform the chain lube. Let me show that. Start your engine, put the gear to first gear. Once done, you should be able to lube your chain. Just spray this chain lube near to the chain, so that you can lube the chain easily. And that is it, guys. So this is the simplest stand that we can make for the bikes, which doesn't come with the center stand. So it took only 50 rupees for me to do this product. So it is the cheapest paddock or a stand that you can make for your R15 V3 or the vehicles which doesn't come with a center stand. Once cleaning and lubing is done, just untie this thread or a velcro that you have to release your brake, and your vehicle is ready to go on the roads. Thanks guys, I hope you did like the product.